Yes, welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Bolero which has been modified from Jeepzone Bangalore itself. You can just have a look at this vehicle. The vehicle has been completely serviced, as well as suspension work has been done at Jeepzone itself, and also we are kept with the same of original bumpers, and we have just added two 31 into 10.5 into 15 empty tires have been added. Off-road rims have been added on this, and brand new suspension work has been done on this vehicle. And apart from that, you can just check out the body line of this vehicle. It's in very much neat condition at the moment, and 2-inch body lift bushes has been added on all the sides of the body. Apart from that, we have added 5 empty tires from Arivo and off-roading rims. So you can just check out the body spaces wherever we have been added, everywhere it's been located. And this is a vehicle with complete service with AC, power steering and power windows available on this. So complete servicing as well as complete modification has been done on this vehicle. For any kinds of modification, such kind of Boleros, you can get it and we can get it rectified, and we can do the installation as per the requirement. And this vehicle is completely modified at Jeepzone itself, and this vehicle is not for sale in Bangalore. This is a customer vehicle which we have upgraded. Please get any kinds of vehicles, or the vehicles are also available with us. So please like and subscribe our channel for more and more details. WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 98866679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.